All right, so here's what I did with Granny's old chairs. I did kind of a sunburst, aqua burst, I don't know what you'd call it. Blue and green. I've seen these chairs before in green and I've seen them in blue, but I've never seen them blue and green two-tone sunburst. So I decided to do that little deal. So that's what we come up with. I was making a video earlier when I was painting them. I started out and my camera got hot and went off out in the sun. So I don't know exactly when till I look back at the video when it went off. But let's see what they look like. One thing I wanted to point out that was on that video, I went up to Dollar General and bought some spray paint, some blue to try to do this, and that crap was terrible. So whatever you do, don't buy any spray paint at Dollar General that you want to do anything with. It was useless. One can wouldn't even do that little outline on one single chair worth of crap. I tried to do both chairs with it. It wasn't even enough. It was real light. The color on the top of the can showed a dark blue gloss color. It was almost gray. A real light color and real, the tip on the can was real sputtery. It kept spitting paint. It was crap. Don't waste your money on Dollar General spray paint. Take my word for it. I went up to Walmart and got some more Rust-Oleum. I didn't even use a whole can doing this. About half a can. Way better coverage. So anyway, that's what I come up with. That's Granny's old chairs restored. We'll see how long I make them last.